and I'm going to introduce you the work that we made as Group 6, and it's about Serbia as a rational choice for Fiat to invest in Zastava manufacturing plant. And I would like to stress as a remark that our team is made both by Serbian and Italian engineers and economists, so it's particularly interesting, the research we made. And as an overview, we analyzed first the FDI, the foreign direct investment. Then we made several analyses. The first one is about industrial reasons, why Fiat invested in Serbia. And then we look at the macroeconomic context to compare Serbia against Romania from the economical point of view. And then we made a final game theory model to analyze how Fiat affected election in Serbia. So it's a case study, but actually I think it can be generalized and it can be interesting how to see how economics and financials can affect social and political structure.
Very well.
Okay.
Could we go ahead?
Yeah. So the term of the agreement, Fiat is going to invest 700 millions in a plant in Serbia to acquire the 70% of the Zastava. And macroeconomic results for Serbia of this investment will be economic growth, lower unemployment rate, and then higher export. To analyze the industrial reasons, we look at the Mullins model, and we applied it to vertical and horizontal FDI. Then I don't know if you know, but the difference between vertical and horizontal is that horizontal FDI is more market oriented, and then it's made an investment in a foreign country to enlarge the market, while industry domain it's more correlated to vertical, so looking for cost and exploiting resources on another country. And we can see how Fiat had both market and industry reason to invest in Serbia, because all the Balkan region is a developing market, and there is an option to expand in Russia also through Serbia, and also industry reason because the cheap labor it's quite cheap, and also the plant is already existing, so it's not greenfield. And we can see how Fiat acquiring Zastava and increasing his number of cars sold can get a higher position in the European market, and so have more power inside the market. As team reason, management reasons for Fiat to invest were because of higher propensity for risk, for sure. And let's go on. From the macroeconomic point of view, instead, we compared Serbia and Romania, because Fiat had this option also to invest greenfield in Romania to make a new plant. But analyzing the economic performances, Serbia was an even better choice for Fiat. And then also, the political situation was a bit risky for Fiat, as we said, because of political uncertainty and Kosovo independence. And then our last analysis was about the
obsolete.
Game.
Obsolete, because the election has been done.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
was the positive solution.
Yeah.
Right.
And, it's interesting how in our model Fiat affected the marginal radical party vote, because the marginal voters were the ones that were unhappy about the government. But if Fiat was reliable on his intention of investing in Serbia, they could have maybe a place to work. And so the marginal voter, the Radical Party, didn't vote, and then the pro-European party won. The interesting fact is that Fiat announced the investment few days before the elections, and the exit polls were against the pro-European party, while in the end the pro-European party won. So
The
this
strong
is
power.
particular.
The strong power.
Yeah, this is the power of forgetting the direct investment, and this is, as I said, this particular case, but it can be generalized easily. So the conclusion, we have seen industrial reason, and we applied the Mullins model, and we made also macroeconomic analysis, and in the end we arrived to the game theory model.